What is cortisol? Cortisol is often called the stress hormone because of its connection to the stress response. However, cortisol is much more than just a hormone released during stress. Understanding cortisol and its effect on the body will help you balance your hormones and achieve good health. Image on the right. Cortisol. Stressed out, this hormone is released during times of stress, increasing heart rate, blood pressure, and blood glucose, respiration, and muscle tension in response. It also temporarily shuts down the body system that aren't needed to face in the face of a crisis, such as digestion and reproduction. Cortisol is one of the steroid hormones that is made in the adrenal glands. Most cells within the body have cortisol receptors. Secretion of the hormone is controlled by the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, and the adrenal gland, a combination gland, often referred to as the HPA axis. What does cortisol do? Because most bodily cells have cortisol receptors, it affects many different functions in the body. Also, every cell contains receptors for cortisol, and so cortisol can have lots of different actions depending on which sort of cells it is acting upon. These effects include controlling the body's blood sugar levels and thus regulating metabolism, acting as an anti-inflammatory, influencing memory formation, controlling salt and water balance. In women, cortisol also supports the developing fetus during pregnancy. All of these functions make cortisol a crucial hormone to protect overall health and well-being. Problems associated with high cortisol levels. High cortisol levels can also contribute to changes in a woman's libido and menstrual cycle, even without the presence of Cushing's disease. Anxiety and depression may also be linked to high cortisol levels. Sometimes tumors on the pituitary or adrenal glands contribute to a condition known as Cushing disease syndrome, which is characterized by high levels of cortisol in the blood. Individuals with Cushing syndrome will experience rapid weight gain in the face, abdomen, and chest. The effects of low cortisol levels. Too little cortisol may be due to a problem in the pituitary gland or an adrenal gland, Addison's disease. The onset of symptoms is often very gradual. Symptoms may include fatigue, dizziness, especially upon standing, weight loss, muscle weakness, mood changes, and the darkening of regions in the skin. Without treatment, this is a potentially life-threatening condition.